Okay, now in this video I'm going to talk about like simplification of like and unlike term, and here on this I will show you with the help of examples. So the first example is like negate of 2 plus 3 means it will get added because this 2 is also a positive sign and this 3 is also a positive sign, so will get added and it is going to be 5. Suppose an example, if it is negative 2n plus 3, one is negative and one is positive, so what will happen if the subtraction will be there. Okay, so from the greater number you subtract without considering the sign. So from 3 to I have subtracted, the result is going to be 1. Okay, now this 1 is going to be a positive or negative, so which part is greater over here? The greater part is 3 and 3 is of positive sign, so the number which will be left, that is 1, will be of positive. Like suppose here negative 3 is written and another number is positive 1. So here like 1 is negative number and 1 is positive number, so subtraction will be there. From greater you subtract the smaller one, so without considering the sign, so 3 and 1, so I have subtracted, is going to become 2. Now which part is greater? So this part is greater and that is of negative, so this the part which is going to be left out, that is going to be of negative part. Correct. Now for example, if it is written negative 3 and negative 5, okay, both are negative, so will the quantity will get added and that quantity will be now more negative, because negative and negative is going to be get added, so you will be having more negative quantity, so it's going to be negative 8. Here we are not multiplying, like negative times negative is positive. Here we are not multiplying. What we are doing here, we are adding or subtracting. Okay, it's the same quantity like over here, negative 3 and negative 5, so the like term, because these are the numbers and so we can add or subtract, but here both the numbers are of same sign, so what will happen, the number will get added and whatever the sign of both of the numbers are having, that sign will come. Over here one was negative, one was positive, so subtraction will happen. And so first, without considering the sign, from greater number you subtract the smaller one, so 3, from 3 I have subtracted 1, it is going to become 2. And now you need to think out this 2 which is left out will come out with which sign. So the greater part is of negative, so negative part will be left out definitely. Here is negative 2, negative 1, so first from greater you subtract a smaller one without considering the sign. So from 3 I have subtracted 2, it's going to become 1. And which number is greater? So 3 is greater, so the left out part will be of positive. Here both are positive, so will get added. Now here, like suppose if I have written negative x plus 2, this we can't simplify because here one number is variable, one is variable term and one is negative, so these are the unlike term. This is going to be remain same. Like suppose for example, if I write 2x plus 3x plus 5 here, so here this is like containing variable x, this is containing variable x, so this and this will get added and this will remain same. Why? Because this is containing x, this is containing x, so this is going to be like term. If the like terms are there, then like terms will get added or subtract as per their sign. Here 2x, what is the sign? Positive, so this and this will get added. And how to add the number when it is given with the variable? So what happened, how we used to do for the number, the same we need to do for this, and the variable is going to be the same. So here only the difference will come in the number, the variable is not going to be make any difference. X is going to be x. Okay, so x is going to be x. I have written 2 is also positive, 3 is also positive, so will get added, it's going to be 5. So what is happening, only the number will get added or subtracted as per the sign and the variable is going to be carry out the same way. Okay, now suppose if I have written negative 7x plus 5x, so these are also like term, will get added or subtracted. So where the difference is going to become, this is negative 7, this is positive 5, so negative 7 plus positive 5, one number is negative, one is positive, so the subtraction is going to be happen I am going to subtract from 7. I have subtracted 5, that is going to come 2. Here what is the part which is greater? 7 is greater part, and 7 part is greater of with sign negative, so the left out part also will be the negative, and variable x so is going to be x. Correct. Negative 7 plus 5 negative 2, and x is going to be the same. Like suppose if I take for example negative 2x, negative 1x and negative 3x, all are negative, so will get added and the sign is going to be of negative. How I need to write negative 2, negative 1, negative 3 and outside x. So negative 2, negative 1, negative 3, negative 3 and negative 3, 6. 2 plus 1, 3 and 3, 6, so negative 6x. This is going to be your answer. So this how we can solve the like term and unlike term. We see the more question in the next video. Thank you.